Welcome to the Content Creation Series. In this video, we're diving into Twitter content strategy, focusing on threads, tweets, and engagement. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to maximize your reach and build a thriving presence on the Twitter platform. Here's what we're going to explore today. First, we'll cover the core concepts including tweet fundamentals, thread structure, and engagement tactics. Then, we'll dive into strategy elements like reach maximization, timing and frequency, and analytics and metrics. These foundational topics will give you a complete framework for succeeding on Twitter. Let's start with the basics of crafting effective tweets. A good tweet should be concise and actionable, meaning it clearly communicates one idea and gives your audience something to do. Include a call to action or evoke emotion to encourage interaction. Finally, use 1 to 2 emojis for visual interest and to break up the text. Remember, simplicity and clarity are your best friends when creating tweets that resonate. Twitter threads are a powerful way to share longer-form content. A well-structured thread has 3 key components. Start with a hook tweet that grabs attention with a compelling statement or question. Then, expand your idea with 3 to 5 substantive follow-up tweets that provide value and depth. Finally, end with a clear call to action or key takeaway to encourage engagement. Keep in mind that the optimal thread length is 5 to 7 tweets. Longer threads typically see lower engagement rates, so quality over quantity is the way to go. Now let's talk about tactics that actually drive engagement. First, ask questions in your tweets. Ending with a question increases reply rates by over 50% because it directly invites conversation. Second, reply promptly to comments, ideally within the first hour of posting. This signals to the Twitter algorithm that your content is generating activity, boosting visibility. Third, retweet and quote other relevant content while adding your own perspective. This builds community and establishes you as a thought leader. Finally, maintain a consistent posting schedule. Posting 3 to 5 tweets daily keeps you visible to your followers without overwhelming them. To maximize your reach, implement these 3 proven strategies. First, use relevant hashtags. Include 2 to 3 popular hashtags in your tweets to increase discoverability, which can boost impressions by 30%. Second, tag relevant accounts and influencers. Mentioning established accounts or brands increases your reach by 45% and exposes you to new audiences. Third, add visual content whenever possible. Tweets with images or videos receive 10 times more engagement than text-only tweets. This massive difference makes visuals non-negotiable for Twitter success. When you post matters just as much as what you post. Weekdays show the highest engagement, with peak times at 8 to 10 in the morning and 5 to 7 in the evening. These are when most people check Twitter during work breaks and after work. Evening posting from 9 to 11 at night also performs well for catching late-night scrollers. For frequency, post 3 to 5 times daily for optimal reach. Space your posts 2 to 3 hours apart to avoid overwhelming your followers. Remember, consistency matters more than frequency. Posting the same time every day helps your audience expect and anticipate your content. Understanding your performance is crucial for improvement. Track 4 key metrics. Impressions show the total number of times your tweets are seen, so track weekly growth. Engagement rate is your likes, replies, and retweets divided by impressions, with a target of 2 to 5%. Monitor your follower growth weekly or monthly to see if your strategy is working. Click rate measures the percentage of people who click links you share, with a realistic target of 0.5 to 2%. The key insight here is to use Twitter's analytics dashboard weekly to identify your top-performing content and replicate those success patterns in future tweets. Let's summarize what you've learned. Create quality content by focusing on value-driven tweets and threads that truly resonate with your audience. Engage authentically by responding to comments and participating in conversations to build genuine connections. Track and optimize your strategy by analyzing metrics regularly and adjusting based on performance data. Finally, stay consistent with a regular posting schedule so your audience knows when to expect your content. Now you have the foundational knowledge to grow your Twitter presence. Start applying these strategies today and watch your reach and engagement grow. Master the algorithm, build your brand, and remember that success on Twitter comes from providing value, being consistent, and genuinely engaging with your community.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.